What's good, y'all? It's Tuesday, and it is pouring out. As you can tell by the background, it's dark as hell outside right now. It's only about 5:15 in the morning. But we already got a full schedule for these next coming couple hours. A lot of bouncing around in Springfield, you know how that goes. As I'm sure you can hear you can definitely hear the rain coming down. It's coming down in buckets, and it has been all night. Parts of the roads are starting to flood. And we haven't even had coffee number one yet. Excuse me. And I know a lot of people keep asking me, why don't you edit your videos? Because I'm not trying to edit life. I'm straight raw. So on this channel, you're going to see the good, the bad, the ugly, and anything in between. Because, well, like I said, I'm not editing nothing. But I guess for now, we'll call it a video and probably do something else later when it's light out. Who knows, maybe we'll do a question of the day. But don't forget to like, subscribe. While you're at it, hit that notification button. Don't hurt, don't cost nothing. And if I can get to 1,000 subscribers, we're going to give away a Bluetooth speaker. It's actually really cool. It's got fiber optics, like a fiber optic afro, if you will. And it changes multiple colors to the beat of whatever is being played. So with that, we're going to say this is Bubba Speaks. For now, saying peace, y'all.